Peter, stop scratching that thing.
I can't. It's itching like crazy.
Dad, can I scratch your beard?
Have you finished your homework?
Yes.
Okay, then.
Here you go. Enjoy your food. Enjoy your studio apartment.
Peter, you got a little something right here.
Where, here?
No, other side.
Over here?
Your left side, Peter.
Right here?
Your other left side,
where am I?
Peter.
Oh.
Up a little.
Do I have it?
Up a
Is it
little.
gone?
Now go down.
Is it gone?
Can you stop
Is
breathing?
it gone?
It's irritating.
Get it off! Get it off! Get it off! Get it
Hold
off!
still, hold still.
Wait, don't touch that bird.
And what's it to you, pal?
I'm Dr. Goodman of the Quahog Ornithological Society. Ironically, dining in a restaurant that exclusively serves poultry.
Doctor, what is this?
Oh, it's a very rare species, the endangered white-rumped swallow.
Rump. This isn't funny, Chris. Swallow. Look, just get rid of this bird, all right?
Unfortunately, I can't do that. Once the swallow has chosen its nesting place, it's illegal to disturb it.
But he can't walk around with a bird in his beard.
I'm sorry, you have to wait until the bird departs of its own accord, or you'll be prosecuted to the full extent of the law.
Wow, you sure know a lot of stuff.
It's great to learn.
Because knowledge is power.
Damn it all. Sorry.
Hey, shut up. Keep it down.
Look, there's nothing I can do, all right?
Outside, pal.
Heard of a sitter?
Look, it's an endangered species. What am I supposed to...
I'll make you an endangered species.
Oh, good comeback, Potsy.
Kick your ass, that's what I'll do.
Everybody just shut up. Shut up. He has stopped squawking. He's receded into my beard. We can all watch the movie. Shut up.
Eric, if you're in here, we're all going to Marty's after the movie.
I love you so much.
I love you too, honey.
What's wrong?
Oh, that's it. You're history, pal. No bird Frenches my wife and gets away with it. Get out of my beard, you squawking bastard! Nothing. Well, I was hoping it wouldn't come to this.
Oh my God, Peter, no!
Lois, the bird must die. It's gone. It's gone. Oh, thank God.
Peter, what's that sound?
Oh, my God, they're babies. Hey, look, Lois, there are 3 of them. Just like ours. And, sweet. And then the cow came out of the barn. See, look, there's the cow. And what does a cow say? Yes, that's right. A cow says beep, 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 beep.
You know, Peter, they're getting awfully big.
So?
So every good mother knows when it's time for her babies to leave the nest.
Hey, they're free to go anytime they want. Ah! Fine, I'll let them go. Bye, kids. Rough week, huh?
I've seen better.
Hey, Brian, looks like somebody's checking you out.
I'm not ready yet. Hey, you're getting some looks yourself.
I'm not ready either.